Hello everyone, is your car shifting roughly or getting stuck in the wrong gear? If your OBD-II scanner has detected P0759, Shift Solenoid B performance or stuck off, it means your transmission isn't shifting properly, which can lead to slipping, harsh shifting, or even limp mode. In this video, I'll explain what P0759 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to find the key sensors responsible for this issue. Let's get started. What is P0759? The P0759 trouble code appears when the powertrain control module detects that Shift Solenoid B is stuck in the off position or not functioning correctly. Ignoring this issue can cause harsh or delayed shifting, transmission slipping, check engine light on, limp mode activation, poor fuel economy, transmission overheating. If you're experiencing these symptoms, let's locate the key components causing the problem. To diagnose P0759, check these critical components. Shift Solenoid B, located inside the transmission valve body near the transmission pan, controls hydraulic pressure to shift gears properly. Transmission fluid pressure sensor, mounted on the transmission case near the valve body, monitors hydraulic pressure to ensure proper gear shifting. Transmission input speed sensor, on the transmission case near the input shaft, measures input shaft speed for accurate gear shifting. Transmission control module or powertrain control module, typically under the hood near the firewall or battery, controls solenoid operation and transmission function based on sensor inputs. Wiring and connectors run between the solenoids, sensors, and PCM, providing electrical signals. Damaged wiring can cause solenoid failure. Common causes of P0759: faulty shift solenoid B, damaged wiring or connectors, low or contaminated transmission fluid, faulty transmission fluid pressure sensor, PCM or TCM software issues, internal transmission problems. How to fix P0759. Step 1. Check the transmission fluid. Step 2. Inspect Shift Solenoid B. Test for electrical continuity with a multimeter. Step 3. Check the transmission fluid pressure sensor. Compare its readings with expected values. Step 4. Inspect all wiring and connectors. Look for loose, corroded, or broken wires. Step 5. Test the input speed sensor. Ensure readings match expected values. Step 6. Examine the PCM or TCM connections. Make sure they're clean and securely attached. Step 7. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the code and check for improvements. If left unresolved, P0759 can lead to major transmission issues and expensive repairs. Diagnosing the problem early can save you from a costly breakdown. For more car repair tips, check out these videos next. P0384, glow plug heater, circuit malfunction. P0385, crankshaft position sensor B circuit malfunction. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.